See, Mahia, I tell everybody we start at 9, and then attorneys come strolling in at 11:45 and then want the world to revolve around them. I'm like, absolutely not. All right, I am going to call the docket. When I call the docket, you need to stand and let me know you're here. Otherwise, I'm going to assume you're not here and a warrant may be issued for your arrest. Any cases that are not worked out today, somebody is going to be in a jury trial today. Christina Mills, custody. Nicholas Vaquero. Thank you. Gerardo Chavez, custody. Christy Vega, custody. Ruby Fuente, custody. Endris Taylor. Thank you. Enrique Ramos. Renee Hernandez. Alaya Jackson. Is she?
No, Judge, she's not.
Alaya Michelle Keyshawn Jackson. Diego Alvarado. Furman Okan. Custody. Jonathan Aguilera. Valerie Hernandez. Valerie Christine Hernandez. Ricardo Esteban Fernandez. I'm sorry, Rico Esteban Fernandez. Joel Fonseca. Joel James Fonseca. Hector Ardenez. Hector Ardenez. Renee, that's your client. I think Joshua Warner. Shelby Anders, custody. Terrence Joseph Anderson. Terrence Joseph Anderson. Lucinda Castro. Yeah. Brittany Hamilton. All right, so the couple right here, we don't do the hugging up in court. Brittany Hamilton. Gary Bearfield. Estrella Gomez. Alexandra Olivares, thank you. Edward Wilkie, custody. Montoya Callahan, custody. Valerie Medina, Jesus Perez, Raul Iglesias, custody. Lionel Young, custody. Is there anyone who's present and your name was not called? Yes, what's your name? I'm sorry, what?
Gilbert DeLeon.
Gilbert DeLeon? All right, we'll check the docket. Do you know who your attorney is? All right, do you have a case number or SID number? All right, we'll check with you. Anyone else? All right, well, Renee, I know you know the rules, so please confer. Oh, and I know you know the rules too. Yeah. So, Vashon? Sure. Okay. You know, I am on the board of Gemini Inc., which is a great organization promoting literacy and everything. So we have our meetings and someone always has 3-minute reading of whatever they're reading, right? Mm-hmm. And so I'm like, I've been asked to do that. So I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I going to read? What am I going to do? So, you know, Barnes and Nobles has this thing called Date with a Book. Mr. De Leon. Yes. So anyway, I'm going to read from my Date with the Book. So we shall see. And the date is your date of birth? Yes. 1992. So don't know what it's about. So yeah. What happens? You're in the 186.
Oh,
This is the 187. Let's see.
I do it later on morning.
So on the third floor. So you're gonna go down one floor and you'll go to the right and it'll be on the right side last All right, could you have Mac come up, please? Manage to sign council. Yes. And to the deputies, could you bring out Shelby Anders? Yes. Yes. Which page is he on? Yes.
Judge, you just said Anders, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. One other person too. Let me see if I can find them for you. Jesus Perez. He's on page 6. Hello.
The back office. No, what? Sorry about that.
And Yaya, I need a jury of 75.
Okay.
And if they could be up here at 11:30.
I have been ordered this.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chris. Nine, and four star.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, she's like, so, we're not that old. But I mean.
Sure.
So Miss Ming, while you're out, she got placed at the cross point. And the very next day,
No.
she apparently absconds.
Okay, so I'll get on, I'll get the officer to send it.
Yes.
You're still trying to reach someone from the office.
All right, thank you.
No, there's.
Can we approach her?
Yes,
For today, Judge.
okay,
How are you?
I'm doing fine. All right, Renee Hernandez. Court is calling 2026 CR 006342 State versus Renee Hernandez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Great, to see Texas.
Trisha Morales for the defendant.
And are you Renee Hernandez?
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
All right, the state has filed a motion to dismiss stating that the complainant has waived prosecution. Any objections to the dismissal?
No objection, Your Honor.
There you go. Thank you.
Chief Judge. Thank you.
And that's from each of. Vicky from Access should be on our way.
All right, thank you. Shelby Anders, if you come up, please. All right. Have you had any contact with your attorney?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
All right, so your attorney is stating that he is out sick. So we're gonna recall you for Thursday.
Okay.
All right, do you have any questions?
Um,
All right, we're gonna call you back for Thursday. So Mahia, he'll be back on the 27th.
yes.
All right, thank you.
All right.
I'm sorry, criminal trial division, that's on page 4. Jesus Pettis, can you come up, please? Hello. Have you had any contact with your attorney?
Yes, I talked to him 10 days ago.
All right. Okay, well, then she will be here. So as soon as she comes, we'll take care of your matter, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bashan. On Jesus Perez, do you know if he was accepted to felony drug court?
So.
Because I think for him, it was if he's accepted to felony drug court, he goes to felony drug court, otherwise he goes to safety. Or has that's been a long time ago, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so a new MTR has been filed since then?
And they updated the start, right? The start was just fine today.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, it's already. They last year.
Aliyah Jackson. Valerie Hernandez. Rico Fernandez. Joel Fonseca. Hector Ordonez. All right, the people who are sitting with Joel Fonseca, are you guys on the docket? All right, and you, who are you? All right, so you all can't sit on that row. Only he's allowed on that row, okay? All right, thank you. Hector Ordonez. Terrence Anderson. Brittany Hamilton. Gary Barfield. Estrella Gomez. Estrella Gomez. All right. Are you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Who do you have?
Jonathan Aguilera.
Page 2, Judge, second to the bottom.
Jonathan Aguilera. Oh, and could you call Austin Hagee and let him know he's up for trial and he needs to be here? Okay, on this one, is there a motion to suppress?
Yes, Judge, I filed that yesterday.
Okay,
So we believe there's issues with the traffic stop, Judge. We would be requesting a hearing date for that motion to suppress evidence.
all right. And State, have you had a chance to
I have
review his issues?
Judge, and I think it is fun.
Okay. So when will you all be ready for a motion to suppress?
Wanted to see, Judge, if the court would have availability for the week of October 12th. I'm going to be out on leave towards the end of September, so I just wanted to make sure the court had availability that week and I had enough time to prepare or refresh.
Are you available the week of September 21st or September 14th or no?
I'll be out, Judge.
Okay. So what date are you requesting?
We could do the week of sometime during the week of October 12th.
State, are you, your witness is available on October 12th?
I don't remember, but I'll send the request right now.
All right, so we'll put it down for October 12th.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you will be excused. Is this motion to suppress dispositive?
I believe it will be judges.
Okay. All right. You're welcome. Thank you, and thank you for dressing appropriate for court. Anyone else ready?
No, just last.
Okay.
That's like it.
Hello. Hi, just one moment. Joel Fonseca,
Oh, what
he's on page 3.
I'm surprised with that one. That sounds like a word, that's probably the most aggressive. And it was on. That. And I always sit there and watch. Well, why don't you use practice? Well, both. Bears.
All right, thank you.
You still have to. Yeah. Right. That's up to. Yeah, like this on your side. And discuss this. The. Triggers. What's happening? Yeah. That. And the period doesn't start. So there's your intentions. In convicted. You're not gonna. Correction. Give me a.
Can I get Mr. Young?
Yeah, I have first go. Can't go in here and eat prisons. Right.
Lauren? Hi, will I see you at the board?
Well, I had a very serious show cause hearing in the Waller County GP Court at 4.
JP, oh my gosh.
It's kind of a funny, so my client is a former very
But I think, oh yeah, let me just tell you, I think it's exactly what it says it is. Instead of going to NA, you're going to AA, it's anonymous. So I'm gonna read the first few pages of that. It was either gonna be that or the PMS murder. If you get a chance, you should watch the PMS Murder Club.
Is it on Netflix or? where's
Oh,
it?
it's a book.
Oh, it's a, oh,
And
okay.
it's the author is the same lady who wrote for the Bob Newhart show.
Oh, fun.
And so let me see. The
Find it. I do it now.
it was so funny because this is a book that I've read over and over. And so I had given it to somebody to read.
Figured out. PMS.
Yes, yeah. So I've given it to somebody to read and, so they told me when they were reading that book, they thought, it's a book. I'm having an insomnia to help put me to sleep. And they said they couldn't go to sleep because they kept laughing throughout.
Oh my
But yeah,
God.
it's funny.
No, I'm looking for new books. That's all.
Oh, yeah.
Check this out.
That's funny. It's funny. And it's not even, it's a series of books that is,
Mhm.
but it's not even the first in the series, but you don't have to get the
You
first.
can
and
just
se-
jump into that.
That one is
Did
hilarious.
you read the whole series or?
Yes,
Yeah.
I went
Or
back.
all of them?
It is. It depends on what kind of mood you're in, because it's sort of like a cozy mystery. She's single
Yeah.
and she
Well,
tells
that's
you she's an author.
But-
An author, but yes, but she writes jingles. So, and her biggest jingle sales so far is to a plumbing company. So, yeah.
Very cute.
Yeah, so it's hilarious.
You do audiobooks or just?
No, I don't do
I
audio.
don't either, but I drive, I do podcasts, I don't drive so much. Everyone tells me I'm getting tall. But I don't, I'm not a good actor because.
Yeah.
But
I want to read it.
yeah, in the.
But I will tell you, I think it was Deputy Laura. They had me listen to part of an audiobook
Uh-huh.
and it was The Fourth Wing
Oh.
and it was acted out. Oh, let me just tell you, the
That was fun.
audio for that was like, yeah, racing.
Oh, I bet. I kind of hope they make it.
They are.
Are they? Okay,
Yeah, it's
then
gonna
I'm
be
ready for
on
next time.
Netflix and no, Prime Video.
Ah,
And Michael B. Jordan is a part of it. I don't know if he's
He's great.
producing or what.
Yeah.
Everybody's like, who's gonna be Zane? We don't know.
Oh, that was so exciting. I was talking to someone yesterday. I said, well, I have gotten sucked into the dragon.
Yeah.
Romance world.
Yeah, once you're there, you can't
You
leave.
cannot.
And you're like, oh, I love this dragon.
Exactly. Awesome. Well, hopefully I'll see you more.
Okay.
My goal is to get there.
Okay, awesome. Yes. Hi, yes.
I did get a hold of Miss Perez. She was having a family emergency this morning, but they're both in agreement if you want to reassign.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
so that's all that you.
Yes.
Okay,
You're so awesome.
all right.
Okay, Judge, are you ready?
Just give me a second. Mick. Are you?
Probably a bit of a little less.
Okay, I have someone, just 1 second. Hey, and if you want to, you can call me when they arrive. All right, okay, thanks. Bye-bye. All right, who's next?
On page one, second from the bottom, Andrew's table,
I'm sorry, who?
Andrew's table.
Okay, and just, all right, thank you.
They're looking at it right now. Oh. Okay.
Hello,
Morning, Your Honor.
good morning. Keeps kicking me out. Let's see.
Okay, Judge, you have another one.
Yes,
On page one, second down, Nicholas Vaquero.
all right, Nicholas Vaquera.
This is. Be better. Okay, sorry.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Thank you. You always dress appropriately for trial
Thank you.
and for court. I appreciate that. All right, you all are scheduled for jury trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so jury's gonna be up here at 11:30.
We have filed a motion for continuance, Your Honor,
Oh,
and the reason for that is, we can go over it now. I don't know if you want to go over it at a
Mhm.
different time, Your Honor, but the reason for it is we were disclosed new evidence on Friday afternoon at 4 p.m. There was a cell phone download.
y'all need to review it.
Um,
I haven't gotten into filing mine as well.
No. Nope. Y'all need to review it and review it now.
Unrelated to.
All right, still, y'all need to review it. This has been on the court's docket since 2024. So whatever cell dumps that's been given, you need to review it. And since the state dropped it on you late, if you want to file a motion with regards to that, the court will hear it.
Okay.
But the jury's in the hallway at
So
11:30.
we'll need to know how to proceed with that evidence because there is specific evidence on there. We've already seen some of it. We did look at it yesterday.
Mhm.
There's over 6,000 photos and 1,000 videos.
Okay,
So looking at that cell phone dump, which we weren't made aware of until last Friday, there's a lot there that we'll need to prepare for if it is going to be coming in, just so we know in terms of jury selection, opening statements.
all right, so y'all need to look at it. Thank you.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Edward? Did you?
Here comes haircut.
Shower, your hands are like. Ah, it's a Lincoln though, you're gonna miss that for a while.
Yes.
This is go crazy, this is. We pretty much reference some of that. But-
They're working in the case a lot.
Yeah, you're right. Thank you.
Judge, I have another one ready.
Yes.
On page 2, fourth one down,
Yeah.
Fermino Khan.
Fermin Okan. Come down. Morning. All right, so today is plea deadline date. Yes. So today is plea deadline date. Is this going to jury trial?
I believe so, Judge.
I mean, it's either yes or no. All right. State. My understanding, they're rejecting the offer. So State, will you be ready on September 8th? All right, this come back on jury trial for jury trial September 8th. They're going to bring you over dressed for trial. If there's an issue with the clothing exchange, let the court know. All right. And I need an acknowledgement of discovery signed. All right, thank you. Do you have any questions, sir? All right, we'll see you back on September 8th for jury trial. Your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not consider any plea bargain agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plea open to the court. All right. So you all had your chance to negotiate. You all obviously didn't reach an agreement. So today was the last day for you to reach an agreement with the state. You have not reached an agreement with the state. So your trial date is September 8th. If on September 8th, you all have reached an agreement, I don't have to accept that agreement unless somebody gives me good cause as to why I should accept that agreement. So you'll be going to jury trial unless you want to plea open to the court, which means you enter a plea with me and I make a decision on what your sentence should be.
Can I talk to you for a minute, Judge?
Sure.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay, just Mr. Guevara's ready.
I'm sorry, who?
On page 1, second from the bottom, Andrew Taylor.
Andres Taylor.
You want him up here, right, Judge?
Yes.
How was your trip to Louisiana?
Oh, the trip to Louisiana was awesome. You know, meeting family and everything, decompressing. All right, you all are set for jury trial.
Yes, Judge, and Monica, the co-counsel, Monica Gadetto filed a motion for continuance over the weekend. It never got accepted, so she refiled it this last night. She is in federal court. She would love to be here. At the same time, Prosecutor Rick has made an offer to consider, but we're not ready to enter that plea bargain possibility.
But here's the thing. This is the last day for you all to reach an agreement. If you don't reach an agreement, you know, it's trial.
Sure, I understand. I'm not sure he was willing to leave it open, but
They don't, I mean, they can say they're leaving an offer open, but it's really up to me. And after the plea deadline date has expired, I don't accept any plea bargain agreements without good cause. So,
I'm here to urge the motion for continuance.
all right, well, there's nothing I can do if she's in federal court. Federal
Yeah.
court takes precedence.
In the motion for continuance, it's She listed the style and the case number.
All right,
It's in Del Rio.
could you pull the motion, please?
I don't have.
It's not filed yet, Judge.
I don't know if it's been accepted. She had e-filed one over the weekend that never got accepted, so she did it again, I believe, last night.
State, are you going to have any objections to the motion for continuance?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And how long do you anticipate her being in federal court in Del Rio?
Judge, I have,
I mean, is she in trial there or?
now, well, it's gonna be, honestly, it's gonna be her first federal trial. She's pretty excited about it.
Oh, okay.
I mean, you know, you see her in state court all the time, but
Then. Just 1 second. Then we're going to recall this for September 21st, and I'll put it down as a jury trial date. And if it goes, that will be jury selection time. All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Yeah, just a second.
Stop on the way there and on the way back.
Oh, hey, you can't beat that.
Thanks, man.
Brooks. Can you come forward, please? Are you available for an appointment?
I'm not on the wheel. I'm happy to help. I don't know how that works.
Well, I mean, you could still file a voucher for it.
Yeah.
All right, his name is Fonseca. He's charged with evading arrest, detention, and unauthorized use of a vehicle.
Okay.
It's Joel Fonseca, Fonsecca.
Bond or in jail?
Hmm?
Is he
Oh,
bond?
it's a bond. Joel Fonseca, if you raise your hand. All right, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. It would be excused.
Yes, you may.
Okay, no one's ready.
All right. All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 3800 and 2024 CR 3789 State versus Raul Iglesias. Could I have parties announced for the record?
John Robertson for Mr. Iglesias.
And are you Mr. Iglesias? Did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision in each of these cause numbers with your attorney, and did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Raul Iglesias who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 3789 for the offense of evading arrest detention with a vehicle on July 9th, 2024 for a period of 8 years? And the same person who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 3800 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on July 9th, 2024 for a period of 2 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state, are you proceeding on the same allegations in each motion?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may proceed.
Violating condition number 2, on or about the 22nd day of May, 2026 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Raul Iglesias, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
And then, Your Honor, the state waives all the violations.
Any objections? Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motions and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and the cause number ending in 00, and up to 10 years in the prison and the cause number ending in 989, and up to a $10,000 fine in each cause number. Did you understand that? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 2 and 2? Court will find 2 and 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. In cause number 2024 CR 3800, which would be the unauthorized use, the agreement would be to extend his supervision for 1 year. And then in both cause numbers, it'd be to alter and amend for SATA followed by applicant.
That's the agreed rate, Karen.
Probation, is this your request?
However, instead of for 1 year on the unauthorized use, it would need to be 14 months since that is already expired.
All right, so raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. You're gonna have to speak up so I can hear and the court reporters can hear, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state your name for the record.
Raul Iglesias.
All right, why are you not taking UAs?
I don't have an excuse. I just want to get this behind me. Go ahead.
No, I mean, there has to be a reason. I mean, because it's like do the UA or go to prison. So why wouldn't you take a UA?
Yes, I'm scared to come out dirty too.
All right, so see, now we're slowly getting to the truth. So you didn't take the UA because it was going to be dirty. And what would you be dirty for?
Okay.
And what else?
And one.
And what else?
Yes.
And do you have children? Have you done anything since you've been on probation? What have you done?
Passes for earlier conditions on this,
What classes?
the drug and abuse classes,
I'm sorry, what?
drug classes.
Mhm. And that didn't work. Here's the thing. You know yourself better than I do, better than your attorney does, better than probation, better than the state does. So I'm going to give you a choice. One, I can follow their recommendation, continue you, extend you. You're going to remain in custody until you're transferred to inpatient treatment, or I can revoke you. And then the cause number ended in 00, I will revoke you, sentence you to 14 months. And then the cause number ending in 89, I will revoke you and sentence you to 3 years in prison. So which do you prefer?
Some my probation. Keep going on my probation.
All right, so you're going to have to make choices. And if you're going to be negative, it's better to report if you're going to be positive, it's better to report and be positive than not report, not take UAs, because this is your issue and you can't run from your problems. You understand? All right, state your big excuse. And cause number 2024 CR 3800. The court will follow the agreement. Are you waiving your right to appeal? Court will extend you to 14 months. Alternate amend conditions to include status followed by aftercare. And upon release, I'm going to want 60 sober support meetings in 60 days. And there's to be no residing in households with minors. And the cause number ending in 89, the court will deny the motion to alternate amend conditions to include transfer to SATF. That's going to take place. You're going to remain in custody until you're transferred, followed by aftercare, 60 sober support meetings in 60 days, and there's to be no residing in households with minors. Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? All right, good luck to you. Make better choices. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, on page 5, first down, Alyssa Gomez.
Estrella Gomez. It says Estrella Alyssa Gomez. Just one moment. All right, who's here on Estrella Gomez? All righty. Anyone else ready?
Yes, that's on page 7, first down, Lionel Young.
All right, Lionel Young. All right, Renee, what is the update?
Yes, Judge. So I did speak with probation and they stated that he did not meet criteria after all, felony drug court.
Yes.
Felony drug court may have felt that his mental health needs were above what they can offer in terms of treatment.
Mhm.
So I did speak with my client today, Judge, and probation. It seems like an MTR is likely going to be filed soon.
Mhm.
At which time I would likely elect to file a motion for competency evaluation to get him seen by a psychologist. We wanted to see if we can keep a tighter eye on this, Judge, if we can come back Thursday on this.
Yes.
Just so I can check the status of that MTR and then file what I need to file on behalf of Mr. Young.
All right. So we'll recall it for Thursday.
Okay, great.
All right, do you have any questions, sir? All right, we'll recall you on Thursday. And we'll see what we can do for you, okay? All right, thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay, you ready for the next one?
Just 1 second. Yes,
On page 1 at the bottom, Enrique Ramos.
okay. Enrique Ramos? Who's the attorney?
John Perez.
All right, thank you. Is there any attorney who's here who's ready? All right, who do you have?
On page 2, second down, Judge.
If she's present.
All right,
I talked to her a couple weeks ago or a couple days ago. My understanding is a new case was filed and there's a warrant for her arrest.
all right, just a second. Deputies, could somebody make an announcement for Aaliyah Michelle Keyshawn Jackson? And is she on commercial bond?
I believe so.
Have you spoken with the bondsman?
Not today, Judge. I did talk to her Friday. Regarding the new case that was filed and the warrant for her arrest.
It is a double-A, that's on Helen.
Did you want to call them?
I'll give them a call, Judge. I think it's probably that she knew she had a warrant for her arrest.
Okay. And what is the new case? Do we know the cause number on that?
So here,
Has it been indicted?
that, yes, I, as far as like.
Since our last sitting, Judge, she has been indicted on a second case. And then my understanding is there's a third case that was just recently filed that I don't believe is indicted.
Okay.
I'm not appointed on that case because she hasn't been booked or arrested for it yet. So I know nothing other than her calling me and the court confirming it last week.
ER 009637.
All right.
Be the new one.
All right, thank you. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 007149B. 2026 CR 009072, State versus Aaliyah Jackson. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Daniel Espark for the state of Texas.
Andrew Priest for the defendant.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. and it's now 10:14 a.m. The defendant has not made an appearance and has not answered the docket. Deputy, did you make an announcement?
Yes, yes, she's not there.
All right, defense, have you had any contact with your client?
I talked to her last week, Judge.
State?
State would ask for a bond.
All right, the court will issue bond forfeiture in each case and remand your client without bond.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. And Yaya, on that case, can you make sure the bondsman didn't file a affidavit to surrender surety?
Check real quick.
All right, thank you.
No, nothing's been done.
All right, thank you. All right, who's next?
Go ahead, yeah, sorry, they took my-
I'm ready on Alex Olivares, Alexandra
I'm
Olivares.
sorry, what's the name?
Alexandra Olivares. Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Good morning, I'm doing great.
That's on page 5, Judge.
Thank you. Olivares?
You are to approach, Judge.
Yes. All right, and there is supposed to be a coordinator down here? Oh, she's there. Hi. I can't see over this screen.
I know.
Good morning. All right, where are we on discovery?
We have received discovery, Judge, and we received an offer this morning.
All right, state, I need an acknowledgement of discovery. And how old are you?
36.
All right, recall this 3 weeks for a plea deadline date, please.
She had a seat, Judge.
Yes, what's the date?
September 14th.
All right, once you sign the reset form, she'll be excused, but please don't leave before I receive the acknowledgement of discovery.
Okay, Judge.
Anyone else ready?
Just gotta please, Judge, so I can do it to them.
Okay.
I'll send it off.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Valerie Christine Hernandez. Rico Fernandez. All right, thank you. Hector Ordonez. Terrence Anderson. All right, thank you. Gary Bearfield. Estrella Gomez. Estrella Alisa Gomez. That's life. You know, a lot of people have started moving to Scotland. I love Scotland. I don't know if I can deal with the winters. You should, have you been?
That's like our next.
Oh my gosh, you should go. It is so beautiful. Okay, you should go. It is so beautiful. I ended up going, but I went in October. Surprise, surprise. It was cold, but it was still beautiful. And then the guy who was there told us to come back in August because he said the heather will be beautiful. And he said all of the mountains that you see will either be this yellow color or purple. And of course, I love the way he said heather with his accent.
Oh, yes. I will.
Oh, and you know what? There are grudges throughout Europe.
Not like this.
No, they still do this thing when you have a drink, you pass your hand over it. And I think you say Sajava or something. Yes, and it's, yeah, for the true king. I'm like, whoa. But I tell you, people are still upset about the killing of Caesar.
Yes. All right, I don't know.
And one lady was showing us around Luxembourg Gardens. We had been many times, but she just came upon, she's like, let me tell you about all the queen statues here. And so she's introducing us to all of the statues and when that queen served and everything. And then she tells us the only one who's not here is Marie Antoinette. And she spits on the ground. She's like, she thought she was too good for this. I'm like, whoa, you all are holding grudges. Oh, yes.
Picture gentlemen ready?
Yes.
On page 1 at the bottom, Enrique Ramos.
Enrique Ramos. Oh, this number's not gonna come up. See, when you start without putting your hands on the home row keys, it just makes for a bad typing day. All right, good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for dressing appropriately for court
Yeah.
and for being on time. All right, let me see what's happening here. All right, so on this case, where are we on discovery?
So, Your Honor, I did just email Thomas the two body worn cameras for two officers in their report that we had body worn camera. I haven't talked to him about this,
Okay.
but I emailed the detective who's in charge of the case, so I am trying to see if that body worn camera does exist.
Okay.
It is from witness statements. I don't think necessarily it's from this defendant or the co-defendant statements, but I think it's just.
All right. Daniel, what we didn't officially say welcome back. It's like welcome back, Carter. All right, so I need a 30-day reset for discovery.
Okay, September 22nd.
September 22nd.
John's the attorney, but I will let him know that should be fine, but I will talk with him, and if he has any problems, I'll have him come approach, but I don't think that'll be a problem.
Thank you. And are you employed?
No.
All right, we'll see you back on September 22nd.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Estrella Gomez. All right, could someone make an announcement for Estrella Alyssa Gomez? Court is calling 2026 CR 009384 State versus Estrella Alyssa Z Gomez. Can I have parties announced?
Attorney Bill Simmons for defense.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 10:25 a.m. The defendant has not answered docket. Deputy, did you make an announcement? All right, thank you. Defense, have you had any contact?
No, Your Honor, she was given a PR bond, notorious issues with getting in touch with folks that are released on PR bonds. We did reach out to them. They did not have a good number for her.
All right, state. All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant and remand your client without bond. All right, thank you.
Maybe excuse Your Honor.
Yes. Cindy, you okay? Okay. Go get some more water. All right, just let me know when you're ready. Is that okay? You ready or? Ready? Okay. All right. Court is calling 2026 CR 009-668 State versus Edward Wilkie.
Judge, we're ready and present.
Could I have parties approach and announce for the record for the state?
Opinion for the state of Texas.
Richard Garcia for the defense. Ready, Your Honor?
And there are no applications?
No applications, Your Honor. And make sure you speak up loud and clear so she can hear you. Yeah.
Are you Mr. Wilkie?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Wilkie, that you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney. Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Your Honor.
State proceeding as presented. Mr. Wilkie, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're charged with failure to comply with registration as a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Wilkie, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in prison, $1,500 fine, and you need to get into compliance with registration. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor. It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motion?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. You're welcome. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. So why are you not reporting?
I was notified that I can get my ID that I needed and signed to keep my name in the registry. And, the guy, the officer that was in charge, he said, your ID is expired, you need to get a new one, I can't sign it back up. So I went back home and I have, people that are paying my rent from Haven for Hope. And they said, oh yeah, we'll get you, ID, and they never came around to help me with that, I had no idea what to do.
Well, you have to be proactive, just go into a police station and say, I don't know what to do. This is the ID I have. They should have your photo in the system. I know they do. And so they should have been able to count you as being registered. Next time you go, you probably need to record the conversation or have somebody write something saying, hey, we're not accepting your ID. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 3 years in prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. There's to be Chapter 62 compliance. And no residing in households with minors.
Right. By myself.
Okay. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
No, we're done.
All right, to everyone who's in the audience, if you have not spoken to your attorney, if your attorney has not appeared, you need to step outside, call them and tell them they need to be here because we have jury selection this afternoon. And any case that is not taken care of, you're going to have to come back tomorrow. So call your attorneys.
Okay, just you read it for the next one.
Mhm.
I have page 3, first one, Rico Fernandez.
Rico Fernandez. Yes. All right, court starts at 9.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm always here at 9. You need to be here at 9. If you're not here at 9, a warrant may be issued for your arrest.
Understood.
If there were another judge sitting here, guess what? You would be en route to Bear County Jail.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so where are we on discovery?
Let's correct the first indicted federal was getting through motions yesterday. I noticed it was filed, so I requested that, but other than that, everything else is provided.
Okay. All right, I need a 45-day reset for discovery. All right, and the other cases he have, that's probation cases that have already been addressed. All right, we'll see you back on October 5th.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Who's next?
I still have another plea, Judge.
Okay.
One.
That's the time. Okay.
All right. Ms. Lufton, you ready on Lucinda Castro?
Yes,
All right, if y'all come up. I want to make sure you get to Waller County.
ma'am. I appreciate it.
Waller County sounds like it should be next door to Mayberry.
It does, and they act like they're Mayberry. Sure. It is, and I mean, yeah, it's an interesting experience out
So I'm
there.
like, so on this case, where are we on discovery?
We have discovery, we're doing a plea today. We just turned in plea paper.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know
Yeah.
that was happening. All right, have a
Yes.
seat then.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
I was like, that was fast, but yeah, like, we just turned.
Okay. I didn't know it was for this one.
Sorry, Judge.
That's okay. Anyone else ready?
Oh, my glass, some water. Son has green peas that he gives the dogs when he makes their food fresh. It spilled into the ice. So I just found a green pea in my water.
Oh, my gosh.
Like, could you clean this out? Like, green peas are good for you. I'm like, no, I need to. I think I have enough of ours. No wonder I think what they were. They're all different, and they're all different. So just.
All right, Lucinda Castro. And probation, there are no applications. Court is calling 2026 CR 009312 State versus Lucinda Castro. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren left in for Miss Castro.
And are you Miss Castro? I like that color.
It's nice, right?
Yeah.
Her pen broke on her.
Oh, I'm so sorry. You know, if you will use, believe it or not, one, the Tide stick works very well to take that out. But also, one time I didn't have a Tide stick and somebody told me in the back, if you use a Clorox wipe,
Oh, I gave her one.
yeah, it should take it out.
I'll get you.
All right. Now that we've handled the important matters, let's get to this. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Castro, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding as presented? Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You need to speak up. All right. So the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of attempted possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If I do not follow your plea and give you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
You need to answer.
Yes. Counsel, has your,
Yes, ma'am.
all right, counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Castro, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
No.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at $500 fine, 33 days in the Bexar County Jail. Is this anticipating this is a judgment satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
State defense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motion?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence?
No objection.
All right, state you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Yes.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your
I
client?
just ask that you follow the agreement and satisfy the judgment.
All right, who is Raul Gomez Macias to you?
And if he's was.
Okay.
And if you know, he's in TDC now.
Okay, all right, thank
He's
you.
long gone.
All right, thank you. All right, the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to a $500 fine, time and money to run concurrent, sentence you to 33 days in the Bear County Jail, give you credit for any time served. The court will show that the judgment will be satisfied, and there's to be no contact with Raul Gomez Macias. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea, because I followed your plea, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, here's the thing. If you have a drug or alcohol problem, there are plenty of places that can help you, right? If you don't have a drug or alcohol problem, then what you need to start doing is being aware of the people that you are around or the people that you allow in your life, okay? All right, there's always somebody better out there. You're a woman, you have options.
It's true. It's just the people that I hang on. But you're gonna change. Yeah.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Maybe I'll see you later.
All right, thanks. Who's next?
On page 2, fourth down, Stephanie Nokan. Reapprove.
Furman Okan?
Judge, we have worked out and plea offer if you would still consider accepting an agreement.
All right, let's do it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Brooks, what is happening with Christina Mills?
Last week. By the unit in the jail
Mhm.
to see whether she would qualify for inpatient treatment.
Mhm.
And I have reached out. To. Ms. Jemison.
Yes.
Just haven't heard back yet as to what the result of that screening was. I did talk to her mother. Miss Mills's mother, and she also spoke with the staff at the jail and then staff at Lifetime, I think.
Mhm.
But I have not talked to Miss Mills yet. I'm just waiting to see what Miss Jemison's response was. Just wanted to-
All right, so do you want to continue to wait or do you want to reset?
I can keep waiting because I'm working on my other case.
Okay, all right, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
I think ultimately it'll be a reset though. We kind of set this as a dummy date from last week.
Okay, well, we can put a reset in, they can bring her out and you can talk to her.
Perfect, that works.
All right, what date would you like to recall for?
I guess. Maybe the first, just so she doesn't get lost.
Sure. All right, to the coordinator,
Yes.
can you recall this? I could do it the week of September 7th.
I can do the ninth, Judge.
All right.
I think she might be in treatment by then.
I would have to do it. You know what?
10th, I can do the 10th.
All right, yes. Can you recall her for the 10th, please? All right. And could you put that as a phantom date in the system because she may be going into inpatient treatment. I don't want anything to hold her. All right, thank you. And then if you still need her brought out. All right, Gary Churick, what is happening with Gerardo Chavez?
Great, we're working on it.
Rochelle, what is happening with Christy Vega? I'm sorry. Okay. Then. Valerie Christine Hernandez. So the coordinator, if you can see where Brittany Sparks is. She's the attorney. All right, if you could have her come back so we can go on the record.
Judge, I have one ready.
Yes,
On page 4, 1 and 2, Joshua Warner.
Joshua Warner. Okay. Hello,
Hi.
how are you doing today?
How are you?
I'm doing great. I can't complain. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
It's great to be alive. All right, so on this case, where are we on discovery?
Judge, I don't believe we're missing anything.
Okay,
And Judge, I am reaching out to the plaintiff. I'm trying to set up a time. Get his thoughts on what happened.
okay. All right. Can you recall this in 30 days, please?
Thank you, Judge.
And state at that time you need to be prepared to tender an offer.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. What date?
Number 26.
All right, once your client signs the reset form, he excused. All right, what is happening with Terrence Anderson? Okay. All right, thank you. What is happening with Brittany Hamilton, Gary Turek? All right. Okay. State what's outstanding? All right. Can I get a 45-day reset on Brittany Hamilton? Miss Hamilton, if you can come forward, please. I'm sorry. Mr. Hamilton. I can't see without my glasses. How are you doing today? Oh, I'm doing great.
Awesome.
All right, if I could have a 45-day reset,
Yes.
October when?
6.
All right, are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you can appear by Zoom. Do you know how to do Zoom?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we'll bring him back. Are you available, Attorney Chirek?
When?
October 6th.
Weekend?
Yes. You'll be here? Okay. So just have a seat. Your attorney will bring the reset form for you and you can appear by Zoom.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Okay, it is just so your attorney can get the discovery, okay? Thank you. And make sure you're here at 9. Well, at least, I'm sorry, on Zoom at 9. Okay. All right, Gary Bearfield.
Oh my God, because I was telling her to jump for it. Oh my God. Oh, thank goodness. Whatever. Yeah.
Vashon, on Jesus Perez, is he going to safety or no?
Judge, so that was the one you asked about earlier.
Yes.
He had already bought a safety, it's, an additional TR.
Ah, thank you. I'm so sorry. Yeah.
There's no- To confirm though, what date is your notes ending?
That was in 2024. Was he's
Yeah, Judge.
he's been to safety, correct?
Yeah.
All right.
Judge, I'm working on a plea for a minute.
Well, we need to find out where is his attorney.
And Judge,
Hmm.
he has a skin word. Like, really well.
Oh my gosh, hi. Well, welcome.
Yes, man. How you doing?
I'm doing great. So how are you enjoying your time interning?
It's been interesting. This has been my favorite court. So
Aw.
I love my favorite court. And I asked to come back to this one specifically.
Thank you. So Vashon was telling me you have a newborn
Yes, ma'am.
boy, girl.
Boy.
Did you name Steven after me? You know, play on Stephanie.
No, man. His name is Emmanuel.
Oh, that's a great
Yes,
name.
man. Yeah, maybe he was a newborn by a preemie by an hour and 10 minutes. An hour and
Oh, wow.
He was a preemie.
So
Yes,
see, he needs to remember that so he can always use that, you know, when he wants something.
yes, ma'am. He's very needy, especially when it comes to that food.
Oh,
You always know when he's hungry.
that's just so awesome. You have to show me photos and everything.
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Okay, awesome.
All right.
Well, welcome.
Thank you so much,
All
ma'am.
right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, Brittany, are you ready?
I am, Judge.
Deputy, could you make an announcement for Valerie Christine Hernandez? Court is calling 2026 CR 008878 State versus Valerie Christine Hernandez. Can I have parties announced?
And Brittany Sparks for defense.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is currently 11:01 a.m. Deputy, did you make an announcement?
Yes, Judge.
All right, thank you. And the defendant has not answered docket. Defense, have you had any contact with your client?
No, Your Honor, I have not.
All right, state. All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant and remand your client without bond.
Okay, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, thank you. Have a good one. Hello. All right, thank you. I don't know Since I was an attorney, you know, if you didn't want to be someone's attorney, you had to file a motion to withdraw and have it be heard. So that person wouldn't just be randomly waiting for their attorney to show up. It's insanity. And when I say it's insanity, I don't mean in the legal sense, but you know. I remember a group of attorneys. So there was one attorney who just decided they didn't want to be an attorney anymore. They're like, I'm not going to be an attorney anymore. And just left. And I was like, you need to file motions to withdraw. She's, she's like, oh no, they'll figure it out. I'm like, that's not how that works. She's like, I mean, I'm just like stunned by things that I've seen. Yeah. And I'm like, and this person is in custody. Okay, thank you. All right, the court is calling Gerardo Chavez, 2025 CR 012-921. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Gary Chirek for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Chavez?
Yes.
And this is an application?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, probation, this is an application. Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Chavez, did you review the application for probation with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We waive.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Just 1 second. All right. Mr. Chavez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have to plead with the state, I do not have to follow your plea. If I do not follow your plea and give you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? You need to speak up.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is, Your Honor.
Mr. Chavez, has anyone threatened you? Excuse me, excuse me. Over here, y'all need to ask the deputy to put you all in the back.
Right.
Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in prison. There's $1,000 fine. The state recommends community supervision. There's no application for deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
State defense is at the plea.
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Any such motions?
None, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your probation be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
No objection.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? All right, state, you may be excused. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are way PSI.
Anything you would say on behalf of your client?
Judge, he is indigent. We'd ask that you probate the fine
All right.
and that you follow the plea bargain agreement.
All right. Are you employed?
Yes.
What do you do?
Do overlay modeling.
All right. And how often are you using?
I already stopped using.
Let me just tell you. I'm not talking about you're stopping using because you're in custody. So when you were in the free world, how often were you using? Here's the thing, it's best that you're honest with me, because let me just tell you, I'm trying to set conditions so that you can be successful. And guess what? If you stand before me and say, I don't have a problem, I don't need any help with anything, guess what? I'm going to put down in the notes that you don't have a problem, you don't need any help with anything. So what that means is you shouldn't be coming back testing positive, and you are going to be tested randomly. So if there's a problem, you need to let me know now. So in the free world, how often were you using?
I use it often, but
What does that mean? I wasn't with you, so I don't know how often you were using.
Be like. Three times like a week.
All right, see, your definition of often and my definition of often are completely different. So you're using 3 times per week. When did you start first using meth?
15 years ago, maybe.
Okay. Do you have any children?
Yes.
What are their ages?
None.
Just one? And does your child live with you?
No.
All right. Do you live by yourself?
No, I didn't.
All right. Are there any minors in the household?
Yes.
How many?
4.
And what are their ages?
10, 9, 6, and 4.
Okay. And the person who's living with you in the household, do they know that you've been using? Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 3 years. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs or the patch, $1,000 fine probated, proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, no unsupervised contact with minors. And that may change once you've proven to me that you can be sober, okay?
Okay.
There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once parenting classes are completed, 100 hours will be deducted from community service restitution. I'm going to order sober support meetings 1 time per week. And the court will allow the deduction of 1 hour for every sober support meeting completed. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. I'm going to want a referral. I think felony drug court doesn't have funding. Is that correct?
None of the specialty courts have funding right now, except for veterans treatment.
Are you a veteran?
No.
All right, we're going to do a TAP evaluation in custody. Follow recommendations.
You say in custody, Judge?
Yes. Probation, is there anything else?
No, sir.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Judge, how, do we have an idea how long it's gonna take to do a TAP evaluation in custody?
How long will it take to complete a TAP in custody?
How long?
2.
2 to 3 weeks?
Yes. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea, because I followed your plea, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you, okay? And if you need anything, let probation know. And time when you are released, if that's the recommendation from TAP, you need to get a sponsor to help with maintain your sobriety, okay?
Okay.
All right, good luck to you, all right?
Thank you.
All right, who else is ready? Hi.
I have one quick question with the
Yes.
board's permission. May I approach?
Sure.
Judge, this is on Thursday's docket. My husband's in ICU
Oh,
and it's a possession case. I believe it's like
what's the cost number?
it is 2026 CR 009-298.
All right, and are they on bond?
Yeah, they're on bond and I will let them know. I'm just asking for maybe a 2-week setting.
Okay, sure. Could I get a reset for 3 weeks on this cause number? 2026 CR 009298.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Judge, I
I'm gonna
appreciate
be
you.
sending prayers.
Thank you. I've learned I've got a new skill.
Well,
I'm learning how to change colostomy bags.
yeah.
That's love.
Oh, that is.
Girl, I'm telling you, that's love.
It is.
Girl, that is love.
Most definitely.
Trust me.
nephew grew, he had colostomy bag when he was born.
Yeah, that's love.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
but it's different when it's a baby because you're used to cleaning it.
Oh, no.
But when the guy's 65, yeah, no, that's love.
Oh, yeah.
Feel it right here. Feel it.
Oh, it is.
Judge, I appreciate you.
All right. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Yes.
On page 4, fourth down, Terrence Anderson.
Thank you.
Terrence Anderson.
It's
Good morning.
Morning.
How you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. It's a beautiful day so far.
It is. Well, don't see, you just ruined it and jinxed it by saying so far. Now something is gonna happen. It's gonna be like a lemony snicket type of day.
Well, maybe something good will happen.
Okay. All right. So where are we on discovery?
So Judge, I was able to look up this case on Axon. It
Mhm.
wasn't linked to any of the court information, but when I just entered an email to start that process, so it should be available here shortly. Defense mentioned that they received video, but
Well, I was looking over.
oh, fair enough.
All right. Are you employed?
Yes, I work for Amazon Foods.
Okay. All right. I need a reset date for 30 days for discovery and states you'll need to tender an offer and you can appear by Zoom. Do you know how to do Zoom?
Figure it out.
All right. But it's 9 a.m. You have to be dressed appropriately.
There is some discovery they're working on getting the body camera. That's what we're missing. They have the dash cams, but no body cam.
Okay. So instead of 30 days, can you make this 45 days, please?
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
I was about to bring that up.
All right. Thank you. I'm sorry, when? All right, October 6th, and you can appear by Zoom.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right,
Do
thank
do
you.
y'all normally send out the link to me so I can give it to him?
The link is right up there.
Yeah.
All right.
Jackson working on another police.
All right, Gary Bearfield. All right, and is Mac on their way down?
She has not responded to me, Judge. I'm trying again.
Deputy Mejia, could you bring out Jesus Perez, please? Oh, he is? Hi.
I haven't had anyone you think. Yes, please. Okay, I see.
Hello. Hi, we're gonna have an attorney come over and represent you, all right? All right, so just have a seat, okay? Gary, though, for answering the call.
Judge working on two police.
All right, thank you.
Judge, I'm already in my last case here.
Okay. All right.
Oh, you know, not too much. Are you here? For the trial, 3 weeks yesterday. I used to go a lot. I have people that, so I write down nomination, anything that come out counties. No. I mean, do that. I just come here.
Yeah.
I waddle around here and get my. That's pretty good. Myself. Robert.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah. Yeah, she. It is especially. Yeah, it's pretty agreeable. I challenge you to prove that. Violation of Texas motor vehicle registration. What says the vehicle registration? How long ago was that?
All right, court is calling 2026 CR 0000755 and 2022 CR 3009, State versus Ruby Ann Fuente and Valerie Medina. Can I have parties approach and announce for the record?
Stevens Fair for the state.
Favor for Valerie.
All right.
And under this case, judge, in the indictment, it read as Ruby Puente, so that's.
Are you Ruby Puente and also Valerie Medina? All right, here's the thing, you gotta speak up so I can hear and so the court reporter can hear. We're gonna start off with the case ending in 5-5. Counsel, have you received all discovery that you reviewed with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Puente, did you review the indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you proceeding as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Fuente, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it
Yes,
in
ma'am.
all the appropriate places? You're charged with misapplication of fiduciary. Let's see. Misapplication of fiduciary of financial property, $2,500 to $30,000. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If I do not follow your plea and give you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does, Judge.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
She is, Judge.
Ms. Puente, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No,
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
no, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there is to be punishment at 1 year in the state jail facility, no applications. State will take in consideration 2026 CC 011537. There's to be restitution of $6,146 to regional finance, and there's to be no contact with regional finance.
And Your Honor, on that last part, obviously there is no parole on this, so.
Yes. And there's to be no employment in a fiduciary capacity. Did you understand that to be your plea? Defense state, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motions?
There's not, Judge.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, at this time, the state would offer State's Exhibit number 1 and its attachments.
No objection, Judge.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state will call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We'll rely upon the plea bargain.
All right, the court will sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. Take in consideration 2026 CC 011537. There's to be restitution of $6,146 to regional finance, no contact with regional finance, no employment in a fiduciary capacity, and this will run concurrent with 2022 CR 3009. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. You wanted to?
Yes, Judge, I wanted to submit this, and then also on the motion, this is the misdemeanor.
Okay, let me just tell you, there are strange things that happen. Misdemeanor judges don't want district court judges signing there.
Since when?
Oh, that's been going on for a
I
while.
take them down to misdemeanor court all the time once y'all
No,
sign 'em.
no.
Okay.
Well, I can
That's
take it
fine.
down there. and get
Yeah.
y'all sign it.
And Judge, on the motion to revoke case, we're going to withdraw the case and just turn on stuff, and it's a drop to state jail.
All right, so if y'all will give me the withdrawal.
Okay.
Well, that's a third degree felony.
It is.
Yes.
So she can go to the state jail basically on the case that she just pled to.
All right, probation?
I'll do a withdrawal and then it's just, early termination of that.
Well, that's what they're agreed to. Let's go on the record. Court is calling 2022 CR 3009, State versus Valerie Medina. She is on probation for possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 to 4 grams. According to the plea bargain in that case, the maximum sentence that she could receive would be 2 years. So it's the court's understanding that in the previous case that we've just heard, that time is day for day. And so on this case, states you're requesting that the motion be withdrawn?
That is correct, Your Honor. We're asking that it be withdrawn and that it should be terminated unsatisfactorily. And that way she could be sent off to the state jail facility. This is a second case.
All right, any objections to that?
No objection, Judge.
All right, then once the court receives the motion to withdraw, the court will sign it.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. And then, do you need any type of treatment while you're at the prison? Because if you do, I can recommend the therapeutic community for you. It doesn't increase the time that you're at the state jail facility, but they may be able to help you with whatever issues you may have. It's completely up to you.
And I'll explain to her how that works when she gets there.
Sure. All right, then to that cause number, I add the therapeutic community.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
May we be excused?
Yes. All right, thank you.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes.
Judge Max here.
Hi.
Hi.
And then they wonder why Mr. Bunk makes so much money. Because he's the only one that's here.
Yes. And he does great work. Yeah.
On page 3, number 3 and 4, hold 1 second.
Fonseca. And could you make sure that Mr. Brooks get an appointment order, please?
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, so where are we on discovery? I know you just been appointed.
Yes, Judge, I reviewed the written discovery today and I just want to be able to review videos and then put together some mitigation stuff.
All right, so we'll recall this in 30 days. Are you employed?
Not right now. He's on disability, Judge, and we're working on a plan to get him back into school.
Okay.
He's got something in mind and we talked a lot about that. He was working, but I think it's important for him to finish off school first.
All right, honestly, let's recall this in 45 days.
October 6th.
All right, October 6th.
Thank you, Judge.
And I will tell you, if there's a school issue, then just let me know, and maybe I can see if I can attend by Zoom. You need to make sure you're on time. Court starts at 9 a.m., all right?
He lost his grandmother yesterday. Judge was mother's here with him, so they were kind of scrambling around today.
You know what, if your attorney were here, your attorney could have told me that, and I would not have made you appear, okay? All right, I'm sorry to hear that. So, is October 6th a good day for you? Well, I guess I should ask your mom. Is October 6th a good day for him? All right, I'm sorry for your loss. Okay, so, we'll reset it for October 6th.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
So you have a good day.
All right, you too.
Okay, just let me know when you're ready for the next one.
Just 1 second. Okay, who is next?
On page 2, third down, Diego Alvarado.
Diego Alvarado? I'm sorry, who is it?
For Diego Alvarado.
Yes.
I got Alvarado.
All right, Diego Alvarado. Hello,
How are you doing?
I'm doing okay. How are you doing?
I'm hanging there.
All right, so what is happening on this case?
Judge,
So Judge, I reached out to the detective who was handling the case. He did indicate that there were 2 cell phones that were taken. From what I understand, cell phone dump has been completed on both of them. The detective was off today, but he did respond to my email just now. He said that he's gonna work on getting those to us here probably tomorrow.
Okay,
We can have just a little bit of time just because I just don't know how big the cell phone.
all right,
yeah, so then I've got to get him and look at him.
all right.
He should have his phone. It has 3 videos.
Okay.
Oh, so here's the thing, you may not want to admit that you know what's on the cell phone dump, because that eliminates your being able to be surprised by things. So your attorney knows what I'm talking about. So, recall it in 3 weeks.
That should be enough time.
Yeah.
All right, can I
that'll-
have a 3-week reset for discovery?
Yes.
All right, September 15th, once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
He's in custody. Does he need to sign a reset?
No,
I
You-
need to.
well, no, you don't. But if you want him to have one, if you think he's gonna find out.
No, but maybe, I don't know, Judge.
All right, can you give him a reset form,
Do a
please?
Reset
You
form.
can get the monitor.
Yeah, I'll see if I can get.
All right, Furman Okan. And is there an application? Court is calling 2026 CR 007656, State versus Furman Okan. Can I have parties announced?
Karen Corey for Mr. Okan, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Okan?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Okan, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding as presented?
Yeah, Judge, we move to waive the punishment.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams as a 2nd-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea, the court does not have to follow your plea. If I do not follow your plea and give you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Khan, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promise you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain and agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in prison. There's a $0 fine. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Any such motions?
Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
No objection, Your
All
Honor.
right, state you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Yeah.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
The judge, other than we'd ask you to follow the plea bargain, and also he is requesting that you exercising any influence you have to put him in the therapeutic community.
All right, thank you. Okay. And who is Stephanie Martinez to you?
She was just, right.
All right, the court will sentence you to 2 years in prison, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Stephanie Marie Martinez. The court will recommend the therapeutic community, and there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea, because I followed your plea, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so here's the thing. Drug addiction, that's difficult habit to kick. This is what you need to do. 1, I can't force them to place you in therapeutic community. I have no jurisdiction, but they're going to see on the judgment that I'm asking that you be placed there. You're still going to have to ask for it. It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody. When you're released from custody, first thing you need to do, time when you breathe the fresh air, you need to quickly go to a sober support meeting or go to a sober living home. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Renee, are you ready on Hector or Dennis?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's on page 3 at the bottom, Judge. Have you had any contact?
I think this individual may be homeless. So
Okay.
I did email the legal at Haven for Hope to see if he may be in there. Sometimes
wait.
they're able to pass a message as well.
All right, we'll go on the record. Court is calling 2026 CR 009282, State versus Hector Ordonez. Deputy, could you make an announcement for Hector Ordonez?
I did, Judge, earlier today.
All right. Could I have parties announced for the state?
Renee Munoz on behalf of Mr. Ordonez.
All right, this hearing was Called at 9 a.m. The defendant did not appear and has not answered docket. Deputy states that he made the announcement outside and the defendant has not answered. Defense, have you had any contact?
No, Judge, but my records indicate he may be homeless at this time. So we also don't know if he had appropriate notice to be here. This is an initial setting. I did reach out to Haven for Hope legal team for them to pass the message along to me to see if maybe he's there, Judge. But given his background, the fact that he's likely living on the streets, we would ask for a little bit of time to be able to reach him.
All right, state. All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant, remand your client without bond. If your client makes an appearance, of course, the court will reconsider.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Deputy, could you make an announcement for Gary Bearfield?
Have another one ready.
Right, just a second. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 009-361 State versus Gary Dwayne Bearfield for the state. All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. The defendant has not made an appearance. It's now 11:48 a.m. Deputy, did you make an announcement?
Yes, Judge.
All right, state. All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant, remand without bond. All right, who's next?
Page one, fourth one down, Christy Vega.
Christine Vega. Right. What is happening with this case? Where is Rochelle Acevedo? All right, state, how much time are you requesting? I'm sorry, when? All right, could I have a one-week reset on this case, please? All right, we'll bring you back on September 1st. All right, thank you. All right, the court is calling 2022 CR 3531W State versus Jesus Perez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Charles Buck for Mr. Pettis.
Thank you. Thank you. And are you Mr. Perez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Perez, your previous attorney called the court, said that they would not be appearing, and they asked that someone else be appointed to represent you. I've already contacted the MAC to address that issue with the attorney. I don't know why people don't understand they need to file a motion to withdraw and give notice to clients. Yes. All right, so the attorney that has been appointed to represent you is the Honorable Charles Bach. And Mr. Bach, are you waiving notice?
We do, yes, we're prepared to proceed today.
All right. So, Mr. Perez, did you have a chance to review the motion to revoke community supervision and First Amendment motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Just 1 second. Are you the same Jesus Perez who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 3531W for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 to 4 grams on April 12th, 2022 for a period of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, correct.
All right, state.
Proceeding on the first amended MTR violated condition number 1 on or about the 23rd day of July 2026 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Jesus Perez committed the offense of possession in violation of the condition.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State,
Legal waiver remains.
any objections to the waiver?
No, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and revoke you, sentence you to 6 years in prison and up to $1,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
True.
Do you still wish to plead true to that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion, revoke community supervision and sentence to 2 years in the prison. Additionally, state take consideration cause 2026 30373.
Sorry, 30373? All right. Is that the proposed
Yes,
agreement?
Judge.
Mr. Pettis, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the court will follow your agreement. And state. And the court will revoke. The court will sentence you to 2 years in prison. Taking consideration 2026 PF 30373. Give you credit for any time served.
And can I read some of those dates onto the record?
Yes.
He has credit from July the 18th of 2022 through January the 17th of 2023. And then additionally, he has credit from November the 20th of 2024 through May the 22nd.
Wait just one second.
I'm sorry.
No. You say November 20th, 2024?
Yes, through May the 22nd of 2025. And those are ISF and SafeP dates.
All right. So the court will give the defendant credit for any time served and credit for any time served for successful completion of inpatient treatment. And there is to be no unsupervised contact with minors. And that's from a previous order by the court. And there's to be no residing in households with minors. And the court will recommend the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
I do understand.
All right, good luck to you. Make better choices. Otherwise, the only thing that's going to end up happening is either you're going to end up being in prison or somebody's going to have to identify your body.
I've been talking to our prior audio.
All right, Tom, when you leave prison, when you have that first breath of fresh air, the second thing you need to do is find a sober living home. You understand? All right, good luck to you. All right, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Bond.
Thank you, Judge.
Hi, thank you. I'll see. Yeah. Because we're gonna start up a jury trial. Okay, so it's probably gonna end up being recalled.
Okay.
All right. Okay, thank you. All right, let's go over the docket.